Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we created a full CRUD functionality in a controller. Today we're going to build our first migration and along with that a new model called business. So let's dive into it. Okay, so to create our first migration we first need to know what we're going to migrate. First of all, we have our people table here, and actually I want the relation between a business and the people that work there. So first of all, we're going to create a new model called business, and then we're going to create a migration that has effect on this table people here that will actually connect the business ID inside of that people's table. All right, so first of all, I'm going to create PHP artisan make, and it's a model that I want. It's business, and I also want a migration and a factory. There we go. So in here we will have a new migration. There we go. I'm also going to add soft deletes here, and I want a table, a string called business name. And I also want a contact email, so contact email, but that may be nullable, nullable, like that. All right, let's save that. And in the models here, I'm also going to use soft deletes, and I'm going to show you later on how to actually have this by default. So soft deletes, deletes, and I need to copy this here, soft deletes. All right, cool. So now we have our model ready, we have our migration ready, and let's also prepare our factory. I'm going to quickly copy this here, put it in here. All right. So for a business name, I think I can do this. I will check later on. And I want the contact, and I'm going to take this, and I'm quickly going to check it with Faker.io GitHub, formatters, and I think I can email, all right, email, and I think company email, all right, like this, company email, and let me just quickly check company name, available formatters. All right, so I found this here. I went through a few of them, but I only could find for Française Belgique company. So Faker company. All right, let's try that. Great. Now we're ready to run this, but first of all, I will create the migration. So PHP artisan make, and it's a migration. And then we need the name of our migration. And we can use, and I misspelled artisan here, so it's artisan. And we can, actually I did this before, but we can use add business to the person, ID to person. But it's actually not person, but whatever. So let's run this. This will create a migration. There we go. And it will try to look up the person table. But we know that it's actually not the person table, it's people. So let's adjust that, person with people. Great. And what I want to add here is a table. In the table, I want an extra integer that is containing the business ID. And it may be nullable because we can have people without a connection to a business. And I want it after, and this is actually to keep it clean, I want it after the ID. All right, so let's go ahead and run this, PHP artisan migrate, and I will just go into edit pretend here, so I can see the table adjustations that we're going to implement here. So create table businesses with all these kind of columns, and then we have here alter table people at business ID int null after ID. All right, so that looks kind of okay, right? So let's run it for real now. Migrate, there we go, and the two queries, the two migrations have run with all the queries inside. If we refresh this here, now we can see that we have the businesses table, which is empty, but it contains a business name and a contact email. And in here we have the people table with a business ID of null. All right, and we can also see our deleted ad here is what we deleted it in the video prior to this one. We also are storing it because of the soft delete, but we flag it with a date time of when it's deleted. Okay, so that was it for this video. It was a short one, but yeah, that's only what it takes to make migrations and add new models and so on. In the next video, we're going to create our first relationship. So really looking forward to that one. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.